Why does your scanner show the P02E0 engine code? What does it mean? P02E0 is a diagnostic trouble code for diesel intake airflow A, control circuit or open. This engine code indicates that this means the engine control module, ECM, has detected a problem, such as a disconnected wire or a fault within the system that controls the amount of air entering the engine on a diesel vehicle. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed intake airflow control valve. Wiring issues. Loose or corroded terminals. Faulty engine control module, ECM or PCM. Physical blockage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-350 and Land Rover models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.